Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have our 2018 Toyota Rav4, and on this Toyota Rav4 we're going to go over how you would remove the exterior door handle here. And to start with, we need to remove this door lock cylinder. So to get to that door lock cylinder, you need to pop this cover here, and we have just a Torx to get in there, a T30. And what you'll do is you'll loosen the T30, and it'll loosen all the way, but it won't fall out, or it shouldn't, because it actually holds in there with a little clip. So we're fully loose, and now you should just be able to kind of open the handle. And so you just, by using the key in there, just be able to wiggle it out. And one reason you got to remove this to be able to get the door handle to come off. And see, that's where that bolt's just sitting there, because it's got a channel or a tab that it stays in place. To just remove the exterior door handle portion, you're just going to pull the handle out and pull it toward the back of the vehicle, and it pops out. And now if you're going to go ahead and remove the rest of this, because you need to replace any of the handle components there, all you're going to do is remove these little covers, and then you're going to see right up here a T30, the same one. We'll just now you don't need to loosen it, you don't need to remove this completely, you just need to loosen it so that it will slide. And then if you reach up in here, there's a connector to be undone. I got that in a picture.